Hey YouTube, this is Fix It with Biscuit here. So I was making my corn dog video. My heat gun took a poo. I think the brushes in the blower motor is what went out. But I'm going to pull it apart and see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Just a little itty bitty motor, huh? Oh, screwdriver came apart. Alrighty. I'm pretty sure it's just this motor that took a turd on me. Well, let's pull the motor apart here. And these are actually motors. You're not supposed to pull apart these motors, really. The way they're made is they don't really come apart. But I'm going to take it apart. What I mean by that is usually if the motor comes apart, one of these are to come apart, it'll have screws holding the back instead of tabs, but you can still take them apart. And it definitely, I see exactly what happened with it. Let's see if I can get this front fan off so I can get it apart and show you. Okay. There we go. And hold on just a minute. Sorry about that. I had to close the laundry room door there. But as you can see on this motor here, it has these are little copper slats that are on here, and there's 1, 2, 3, and there's supposed to be 4 and a 5. And yeah, we're missing some. So that would be why my heat gun took a poop. Everything else in here, for all intents and purposes, is fine. All I'd have to do is replace this motor, and it would work just fine again. Or find another internals that would fit in this motor. I don't know. I don't have any. All I have is RC motors. I don't know if these would be the same or not. Makes you kind of wonder. I wouldn't. It could be with all these diodes on here. I wonder if I could get an RC motor in there and see what would happen. I guess worst case scenario, it just burns it up. But Yeah, that's what happens when you buy cheap tools. Sometimes they last for a long time, you never have a problem, and sometimes they just fall apart within just a couple days. I honestly have only used this heat gun 7 or 8 times, really, and not very long either. But thanks for watching. Yeah, I figured I'd take it apart and see what happened to it, at least. And maybe we can make something out of it, or maybe we can Frankenstein something together. Let me think about it, and I'll get back to you on it. Well, I was going to end this video that quick, but I found the other 2 pieces that had come off. I guess I'd show them to you. Yeah, those were on this shaft here, and each one of these has a wire going to it that wraps on here. So yeah, kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Alright, you guys have a good day.